Hello and welcome back to the Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you around our 4-bed Becket home, which is perfect if you've got a growing family. So let's take a look inside. Entering the home, we step into the living room. This room feels really spacious, which is why we've chosen to include a triple sofa, a double sofa and a grey armchair. We've also chosen to style this space with an autumnal colour scheme. As you can see, we've got the terracotta wallpaper, dark green sofas and a dark grey chair and rug. Additionally, this room benefits from a storage cupboard that runs all the way behind this wall. You could use this to store your board games, books, toys or even your shoes and trainers. If you follow me this way, I'll take you into our open plan kitchen diner. Having this as a feature to your home is great if you're a sociable household. You can cook a meal for your family whilst ensuring to participate in conversation and ensure to entertain your guests if you're hosting a dinner party. Just behind me we have our kitchen, which we've designed with light grey gloss cabinetry and a wooden worktop. But if that's not to your liking, you can browse our range of options and upgrade products where you can choose something more to your taste. Attached to the kitchen we have our separate utility room. This is one of my personal favourite features to this home, as it allows you to keep your laundry hidden and out of the way. Plus we have the addition of a patio door which you can open up to hang out your washing in the summer months. And finally we have the last room on this floor, which is our downstairs WC. This is a really handy feature to have in your home for when you're spending time downstairs or if you've got guests over. As we come up the stairs, we take a left into our dedicated office space. This is a really generously sized room with plenty of space for multiple people for a more collaborative way of working. Just next door we have the second room on this floor, which we've themed as a children's bedroom. We've included 2 single beds, a chest of drawers, 1 bedside table and a wardrobe, but it's completely up to you how you choose to style this space. Then we head into the final bedroom on this floor, which we've designed as a guest bedroom. I really like the interior design we've included in this room. The terracotta walls combined with the neutral bed linen and patterned cushions really create a warm and inviting atmosphere to this space. We've also included a wardrobe, which is great if you've got guests staying for the weekend to keep their luggage out of the way. The final room on this floor is our family bathroom. We have designed this with full-length grey marble tiling and a terracotta wall, but if that's not to your taste, you can design it however you'd like. Finally, we step onto the top floor, which is dedicated to our main bedroom. As this room takes up the whole floor, it feels really generous in its size. Because of this, we've decided to include a large double bed with a statement headboard, a dressing table and a chair underneath the window. Additionally, we've installed a walk-in wardrobe which provides plenty of space to hang your clothes and store your shoes to keep your room neat and tidy. As well as this, our main bedroom benefits from a spacious ensuite with a shower, which helps give you that added bit of privacy away from the rest of the home. Thanks for watching the house tour of our 4-bed Becket home. For any further information on this property, check out the link in our description below.